Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some dress combos for free on Dress to Impress that will definitely upgrade your look. So let's go through the dressing rooms. Get the Lana Freedom dress. I also want to say this includes currency items because currency items uses the pink currency, which is technically it's free. Like people sometimes like comment like it's not free, it's currency item. Okay, well you don't have to pay for it. So anyways, get the type 2 toggle on this one and color it black in glitter. You can color it any color you want, but I'm just going to do this. Oh, also, for the currency item, we will be using this one over here. The, what's it called? Withered Rose dress and only skirt, no layer. Again, color it black and glitter. Okay, next we are going to use this top right here and the third toggle in black and glitter as well for both. Then use this belt, color it the same first in black and glitter for the second one too, and then for the third one I'm just going to use like this silver one. Put on some heels, could be any heel that you like. I'm just going to make it a little bit pointier and higher. Actually, I'll just do a default, never mind. And that's the first dress all done. Super simple, super cute. Definitely elevated your look. The next one, we are going to use this top here from the Wicked collection. This one in the only jacket. And we're going to color it black in glitter. And then the third one, we're going to color it white. And then the fourth one, again, just in black and glitter if you can. If not, that's totally fine. Okay, and then we are going to grab this top right here in, I guess black and glitter. And then just this, okay, actually I'll just do black and glitter as well. And the third one, I'm just gonna do black, it's fine. Okay, next we are going to go to the dressing rooms and we're going to go to the cultural collection. We're going to grab this skirt here. Okay, this whole outfit, I mean. And I'm just going to color it black and glitter, like so. Next, we are going to get this currency item, which is the belt from the Western collection, the Western belt. And I'm just going to move it here first so you guys can see it. Let's color it glitter in black, and then I think it was the fourth toggle. Okay, the fifth toggle, I am going to make it a little bit more silver than gray, and we're going to do it the second toggle. Then I'm just going to kind of adjust it. You can kind of adjust it to whatever you like, but I'm just going to leave it like this. And that is the second dress completed. The third one is the easiest dress of them all. We are going to use this top over here, this one, in black and glitter. And then we're going to use this dress that we had for the like anniversary. Was it in codes? I think it's in codes. Okay, it's the Dress to Impress year, 1 year dress, 2 year dress, I don't know. And I'm just going to color it the same as well in black and glitter. Lastly, we are going to, wait. Oh. Let's toggle the first one to tight, by the way, the first top. Lastly, we are going to use this skirt from the cultural collection as well. This one in black and glitter. And that's it. Super simple, super cute, and will definitely elevate your look for free. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!